Hi, everyone. I'm Konrad, CEO of RACEMAP, and thanks for joining our webinar on the RACEMAP tracking app. Quick intro before Tanvir dives in. Tanvir is our lead developer for all RACEMAP apps. He's been with RACEMAP for almost 2 years, and he will master on software engineering soon. He is the person who builds and ships our apps. He knows them inside out. You know to address with any issues. The app. A little context. We released our first tracking app more than 14 years ago for the Dresden Marathon. We started as students, made every stupid mistake possible, and learned from everyone. What Tanvir will show you in the next 20 minutes is a result of those 14 years of hard work, condensed into practical, directly usable features. No need for you to make the same mistakes than we did. Quick fact, the RACEMAP app helped our business scale. This year, we've achieved our goal of 1,000 commercial events already in October. And this was not through marketing or acquisition, but because service providers like you trust our solution. It's built for business owners who run many events and want to add value services without upfront investment or binding contracts. I'll hand over to Tanvir now. He'll demo the RACEMAP app, the workflows, and the settings that make it scalable. His demos are no fluff. Everything works on your phone at the same time Tanvir shows during the webinar. Let's go, Tanvir.
Thank you, Konrad. So yeah, as already Konrad introduced me, I will not waste my time on that. So I hope you have already downloaded RACEMAP app. If you want to do practical, you want to see instantly with me, you can download the app using this QR code. Also, here is QR code. You can scan and download the app. So today I will show you from three perspectives. First one, how host configure a tracking map, prepare the event details page in more better way, informative way, how a participant can participate on any event, and how a spectator can watch a live or any past event. And at the end, there will be question and answer session. You can ask question directly to me. So let's directly dive into the webinar. So here you can see, first you need a RACEMAP account on racemap.com. So I will log in with my account. After login, you have to create a tracking event. So select, click on the create map, the single map. Here, your event is ready. Now all you need one event name and location, sport type, time. So I will fill this in front of you. So I'm writing RACEMAP webinar 2. Location, let's say it's Dresden, and sports is running. So now you have to select the date. I will select today's date. Okay, day before today. Okay, and one end date. So your event is ready now, but it will not look so good. You have to upload a profile picture to make it more better. So now I want you, everyone, to scan this code and register with this event. So that you can also see what is going on. but I'm using emulator, so I will type the code. I cannot scan it here, but you can scan. So here I will type the code. It will redirect to me to the sign up page. I will type my name. I will type my REST number. Now I can see the event is already on my list. So you can see the event details page is empty. There is not more information, only time and type and location. So how can we make it more better? We have to go to the visualization. Here you can see banner. So already there is a banner, but if you want, you can upload your own banner with own brand. So I have already created one banner. So I will upload it. Then we can see banner is updated now. Now go to the bottom. Here you can see event info. Here you can add description, website. So first I will add the description, and we can see description is here. I will add website. I will add contact phone. These are not mandatory, but if you add it, it would be better for all participants. So I will add email. So after adding the contact button, you can see that one contact button is visible here. So I will add email. No email. So email is visible here. So one more interesting thing is here you can add one custom button. So for example, if you want to raise fund or payment method you want to add, you can add it here. But here I will add feedback, because after this event I will definitely expect some feedback from you all, or also if you have any question you can ask you by submitting this form. So I have added the feedback form. You can see the feedback button is here. If I click here, you can see the feedback one form I have prepared in Google Form. It is now visible here. So another interesting thing is you can add your custom registration page. So for example, if I add a URL here, you can see the registration button is here. So the participant can open this event details page and open the registration page and submit and register. Okay, so let's see about leaderboard. After completing the event, definitely user will want to see the leaderboard. So we have our own leaderboard. If you activate here from leaderboard, you can see leaderboard button is visible here. But for example, if you have your own leaderboard, if you have your own professional leaderboard on your own branding, you can just have to click the external leaderboard and paste the URL. So if I click now, I'm using one existing leaderboard from one event. So you can see the event leaderboard is here. Okay, so I have showed you how host create a event. Now let's go to the participant, how a participant can participate here. So here I have so here I have showed you the QR code. You can share this QR code to every participant they can scan it like how you did, or you can share this code, or you can share the URL. This URL you can share. It is a deep link. If they click on that URL, it will directly redirect to this sign up page. So after signing up, participant can see this tracking button on the bottom. All they have to need is just click here and it will start tracking. So I'm using emulator and my location is fake here. So you can see participant is moving and it is recorded. It is sending the data to the server. If we go to the tracking map, we can see, okay, the Conrad, we can see the Conrad. Conrad is here and my fake location is here. I can see a lot of participant already registered, but you didn't start tracking. That's why we cannot see you. Otherwise we could. Okay, so I have showed you how participant can participate. Now I will show you how a spectator can watch a live or past event. So I will show you one interesting event. Dresden Marathon. So after opening one event, you just have to click the map. I hope full screen is now visible. So, okay. So after opening this map, you just have to click the search button here. Here you can see the list of participant, list of runner. So I will select two runner, one man and another one man course record. The man course record is representing the historical fastest runner at Dresden Marathon ever. So here the fastest man can compare himself to the fastest man who of this event in the history. I will make it more faster so you can see all runner position and to focus position. We can see the fastest man of this event ever and fastest man of current event. I mean last event. They are too close. I will make it more first to the end. So we can see the fastest man completed his race on 2 hour 10 minutes, and fastest man of this event completed his race in 2 hour 24 minutes. So no new record in this event. So I have showed you the host how configured, the participant how they watch the past or live event. Participate, and the spectator how they watch the past or live event. Now come to the question answer session. If you have any question, you can write in the chat. We are happy to answer you. So yeah, we can see one question is there. Is it possible to import file with the data using API from my own system? Of course, there is the option to import file. I will show it to you now. For example, one here you can see upload track. You can click here, import, upload track. You can upload, import the participant list here.
Yeah, and
Okay.
for participants information, it's Tanvir, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good. For participants information, it's worth to mention that through API and an hosted registration system, it can be synchronized directly with RACEMAP. So no CSV file or manual typing letters needed.
Yeah. So we can go to the next question. You can see, how does RACEMAP compare with RaceJoy? So I didn't check the RaceJoy. That's interesting question. I will definitely check it. And yeah, thank you for your question.
I can comment on this. For using the RACEMAP app, neither spectators nor participants need to register an account on our platform. Yeah, they just use the app straightforward without any registration overhead. This is maybe the most important difference. And second question from Mark. If the participant does not have the RACEMAP app installed, scanning prompt to install the app. Yes, correct. They will need to scan again to get yes, correct. What options are there for timers who will be reselling the service? Okay, in general, this is, let's say, a business-related questions for good partners representing the full range of RACEMAP. Let's say, features and working a couple of years with RACEMAP, they use RACEMAP for reseller conditions, meaning get discount compared to the regular pricing. And then they sell maybe a turnkey service to their events or to their clients. And of course, the difference is margin. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Yeah. So next question, Farhan Abidivan. Hi Tanvir. We have our own brand. Is it possible to publish an app similar to RaceMap, but using our own brand name, color, on Android Play Store and Apple Store? Yes, that's very, and we have that option. I can show you. Okay, so I will share this link. We have custom app option. You can give us your color code. You can give us your brand name, company name. We will build the app based on your color and company name, and we can publish it to both Apple Store and Play Store within 1 month. So if you are interested, you can check this document and contact with us for pricing. Okay, so I have shared this link here, and also I will email you with all document who participated today. Thank you, Ivan. So next question: what is the way to ensure that the person that start the tracking actually the person that is running? I mean, each participant get different QR code, or they have to put some special code. Okay, so on our system, we have both option. You can share, create one QR code and share with all participant. Also, you can assign name of with the QR code, one QR code for only one participant. Both is possible. Okay. So next question regarding above, is there any way to auto redirect after apps install? Yeah, so if you scan the QR code, it will automatically redirect. Maybe I don't know you tested it already or not. So it is redirecting.
Tanvir, I understand Mark's question different. If no app is installed already and you initially scan the QR code, yeah, and then the app is installed, and yeah, it happens quite often. Then you are then forced to scan again.
Oh, okay. I understand. Yeah. So if some operating system support it, some version support it, some version don't support. It is actually not in our hand. It's based on the operating system. Okay. How does RACEMAP compare with MATCAP? So similar question as previous. So this year we are
okay. First part I can answer very short. MATCAP has no tracking app.
Okay, this year we are using MATCAP for our annual event at running Peninsular Divide ultra distance cycling. Okay, Malaysia.
Yeah.
We have encountered several issues such as signal problems, tracker freezing. Yeah. So
the solution that was used for this event when you used MATCAP was definitely based on GPS devices. And the function of GPS devices, I mean GPS trackers, dedicated devices, not a tracking app on a smartphone. And the reception impacts directly if dots are visible or not. If the modem of the GPS tracker is blocked by the local carrier, then no live data is available. And I assume this is a most likely reason. Yeah.
okay. So okay, next question. Would it be possible to configure icon for current certain participant, for example, medic? Okay, lead vehicle currently only changes the participant icon color. So yeah.
Emojis.
So let me.
You can, Kim, you can use emojis. For example, as bib number, you can use ambulance emoji to show an ambulance location in the tracking map. This is possible.
Yes. Thank you, Conrad. So we can see the last question. If we have multiple cores for one event, is it better to set up as different track or different map, different? Okay, so that's very interesting question. Yeah, we have option for group event. You can create a group event and you can assign each single event on that group. So
yeah.
let me show.
Yeah.
Yeah,
in the meantime,
continue.
you are searching the sample. I can deep dive a little bit with the explanation, Tanvir. And
sure.
It's actually always a question if you request RACEMAP doing data processing, such as distance to go or gaps between participants. If you want for different courses this kind of data processing, then each course needs a shadow track, meaning each course needs a different single map. If this, let's call it race stats, are not required, then save money, put all lines, put all courses in one single map, differentiate by different colors, and be happy. No problem. So, Tanvir, yes, you now want to show a group, right?
Yes. So this Dresden Marathon is also a group event. So you can see multiple events are here. You just have to create the group event and assign each single event here. And that will be visible in the app like this.
Yeah. So
Okay, so Hadir
So
Jakaria.
I think then I just close, yes? Yeah, quick
Yes.
wrap. What we just saw is simple, scalable, and you can sell it, you as a business owner. And we, RaceMap, solved the three big problems for app-based live tracking, which are complicated setup, heavy operational effort, and high costs and rigid contracts. Our approach is straightforward, a do-it-yourself platform, a stripped-back workflow that removes everything what wastes your time and needs explanations, and a pay-per-usage pricing. If you run multiple events, this is how you scale your service portfolio without extra manpower or big investment. You could start your tracking service right after this webinar. Next step, log in to your RaceMap account and try the app. Second step, use our free trial to show how easy it works and show your clients. Third step, if you need help, contact us, book a webinar. We are happy to walk you through. So we are building RaceMap to help your business grow. Thank you and hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Bye. So we can close it now. There is a QR code. You can scan it, and also I will email you. You will find the URL there also. Thank you very much for joining.